Math problem of the day. Assume the situation can be expressed as a linear cost function. Find the cost function. Fixed cost is $200. 60 items cost $2,000 to produce. So how are you going to solve this word problem? Any idea? Okay, the first thing that you have to do is to write the equation in a y equals mx plus b. So, what are given? Fixed cost is 200, so that will be your b. Fixed. The number of items, that will be your x. 60 items. And the y is the total cost of the product. It's $2,000. So, what is missing? We're looking for the slope. So, m is unknown. So, now we are going to plug in all the information. So, y is 2,000. So, put 2,000 equals your slope, which is unknown. So, just put m times x, 60, plus your b-intercept is 200. So now we are going to simplify. So we need to get rid of this 200, so minus 200. And then we will subtract 200 to the left equation. So our 2,000 minus 200 will become 1,800 equals m times 60 is 60m plus 0. So 200 minus 200 is 0. So how are you going to solve for m? So we need to divide 60m by 60 so that m will be by itself. Since we divide 60 in the right equation, we need to divide in the left equation with the same number. So 1,800 divided by 60 would gives you 30, right? 30 times 60 is 1,800. So 30 is equal to m. So now your cost function will be, let's say, c of x is our cost function. C of x is equal to your slope, which is 30. So 30 times x. We'll just rewriting it in a y equals mx plus b. So 30x plus your y-intercept is 200. So now, when you are solving for this, you just plug in 60 to the x. So 30 times 60 will be 1,800 plus 200. It will give you $2,000. Okay, that's the solution for that problem. I hope it's clear to you, and if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. This is Emmy at Kawaii Emmy channel. Have a good day.